Hello, hockey card collectors. This is the Scruffy Bear from scruffybear.ca, and we're here for another break. As a matter of fact, I got 3 more of those blasters. Trying to get a regular Celebrini. We got a team one there, or we got a teammates one over here, and Connor Geeky. Those are the ones we got last time. So let's see if we can get a regular Celebrini. It's the last chance I got at getting this. Well, probably not the last chance, but depends if I can get more product. Each one of these was about 50 bucks. Everybody's raising their price because of Celebrini. Well, with a little luck, we'll get the right one today. Oh, dropping packs onto the floor. There we go. Yeah, okay. Slipped out of the box. So there we go, 3 blasters. Let's see what we can get today. We did pretty good last one. And let's start it off. Whoops, sorry guys. Didn't mean that. We got Dobson, Hoglander, DeMello, Robert Thomas. We got on tour for Utah Hockey Club, which I guess is now called the Mammoth, Clayton Keller and Logan Cooley. And our first young gun, Aku Ratti, for Utah as well. Joseph Wall, ooh la la. Michael Bunting, Pasternak, Beniers, Mrazek, and Harley. Wow. Nothing spectacular there. And we got Steel. Toropchenko. I hope I said that right. Greenway. Couturier. Pospela. Pospela. Okay, that guy. Okay, we got Matt Baldy. Green Dazzler. Maverick Bork, Classy OPG, and Clayton Keller, the Utah Hockey Club, Electricity. And we got Brady Tkachuk, Drew O'Connor, Fabro, and Samuelson. Interesting collection there. Our subscriber base is going up. That's good to see. We'll be giving away some more stuff soon. Oh, we got a Series 2 checklist. This is, yeah, the second one. We got Bluger, Kesselring, Hurdle, UD Canvas of Boone Jenner, Buffalo Sabres on tour with Tage Thompson and Rasmus Dahlin, and a young gun, Zachary Lahiro. I don't know how to pronounce that. Ooh la la, John Gibson. And, whoa, who we got here? Oh, McMichael, Connor McMichael, okay. Carson, Corelli, and Lazon. Okay, well, so far, nothing spectacular. With a little luck, we'll get us another young gun. Zegzikas, Brandon Taneff, Austin Matthews, Ryan Graves, Hathaway, Maurice Sider, Glossy, OPG. Robert Thomas on a heater. Ooh, dazzling. Ooh. And we got, Philip Forsberg, Young Gun Retro. Goudreau, Haig, Vanacek, and Stahl. Okay, nothing spectacular yet, guys. Nothing to write home to mom about. Kopitar, Saros, Dackord, Perry, and we got a Josh Doan, Glossy, OPG Glossy. And we got a Dylan Larkin, Young Gun Retro. I got the original anyways. Pasternak, Bang for Your Puck. And Rasmus Anderson, Joshua, who's now on the Leafs. Matt Duchene. Morgan Riley, who's still on the Leafs. And Sherratt. Okay, so far, nothing spectacular in Blaster 2. Okay, we got Danforth, Siegenthaler, Dylan Larkin, Connor Murphy, Luke Shen, Bang for Your Puck, Alex Ovechkin. And we got another Young Gun teammates, Logan Malou and Lane Hudson. Oh, that's a good one too. And we got Pasternak, Playlist, and Varlamov, O'Brien, Shabbat, and Jake Allen. Bordeleau, Kokanimi, Carlson, Kadri. We got a Green Dazzler of Nazar. We got McGrody, Glossy OPG. And Connor Bedard, Electricity. Interesting. Gudis. And Sorelli, Niederreiter, Rasmussen, and Donato. Okay, last one of Blaster 2. Still no Celebrini. Still got a couple of interesting cards in there. Okay. Then we got Byfield, Eklund, Morrissey, Panarin, UD Canvas of JT Miller, and a heater of Jack Eichel, and a Young Gun of Perchenkov, something like that. That guy. That's his Young Gun. Okay, and ooh la la, Thatcher Demko. Yeah. Okay. Peronovich, Brink, Plash, and Picard. Well, nothing spectacular in that one either. Some interesting cards. We got Taylor Hall, Keander Miller, Lusterinen, is that how you pronounce it? That guy. Lindholm, on tour, St. Louis Blues, Robert Thomas, and Kyrou. And a Young Gun of Oliver Kapanen. Oh, cool. And we got Zach Hyman, Electricity. Crosby, Ryan, Sturgeon, Sunquist, and Nick Suzuki. Well, unless we get a second one in this blaster, I don't think I'm getting a Celebrini today. Okay, we got Reinhardt, Donovan, Jack Hughes, Gavrikov, sorry, Lane Hudson, Dazzler, Jack Eichel, OPG Glossy, and Sebastian Aho Playlist, along with Schneider, Evanson, Eberle, Theodore, and Josh Anderson. Second last pack. Bobby McMahon, Petrie, Machenko, I think that's his pronounce it. Tage Thompson, and we got one of these outbursts. David Jiricek. Haven't seen one of them in a while. Morgan Riley, UD Canvas, and Zach Dean, UD Portrait, along with Decord. Oh la la. And we got Athanasiu, Forsberg, Mikey Anderson, and Holmberg. Former Leaf. Okay, last pack. Unless there's a young gun in here, I don't stand a chance. Rasmus Sandin, Glending, Paul, Waite, Mercer, Mikko Rantanen, Glossy, OPG. Bang for your puck, Morrissey. Oh, that's a sparkly one too. And a Braden Point, Young Gun, Retro. We got the original anyways. John Gibson, Sebastian Aho, and Sagan, and Murashenko. Oh, that one's a tough one. That guy. That is a tough one. Okay, well, we did get some interesting cards. Braden Point's Retro Young Gun, Morrissey Bang for Your Puck, Glossy OPG, Ratnan, Joey Descartes, Oh La La, and Zach Dean, UD Portrait, Morgan Riley, UD Canvas. We got an Outburst, David Jiricek, and we got a Sebastian Aho Playlist, Jack Eichel, OPG Glossy, and Lane Hudson, Green Dazzler. Zach Hyman, Electricity, Young Gun, Oliver Capitan, and on tour, St. Louis Blues, Robert Thomas and Jordan Caillou, and Demko, oh la la, and Prushenkopov, something like that, Young Gun, and a heater of Jack Eichel, JT Miller, UD Canvas, Connor Bedard, Electricity, McGrody, Glossy, OPG, Frank Nazar. I'm going to have to put a disclaimer in it about if I don't get the name right, don't sue me. Young Gun Teammates, Logan Malou and Lane Hudson. And we got Ovechkin, Bang for Your Puck, and a Pasternak, Bang for Your Puck, Dylan Larkin, Young Gun Retro, Josh Doan, and a Philip Forsberg, Young Gun Retro. And let's see, we got Robert Thomas Heater, Morris Sider, Glossy OPG, John Gibson, and we got Zachary Haru, Buffalo Sabres, Tage Thompson, Rasmus Dahlin. And we got Boone Jenner, UD Canvas, Clayton Keller, Electricity, Maverick Bork, Glossy OPG, Matt Boldy, Green Dazzler, Ooh La La, Joseph Wall, and Aku Raddy, Young Gun, as well as on tour with the Utah Hockey Club, Keller and Cooley. And that's it, guys. That's our break for today. Okay, well, we're going to have to move along to something else. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. Or if you want to be a part of our giveaway, which will be coming soon, I hope. We get enough subscribers. And if you want to add something to the video, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next break. Bye now.